Today I'm gonna show you how I made my bronze breastplate. I took 5mm thick EVA foam and cut out the pattern. I cut it out with sharp crafting knife. From now on I use a respirator. I heated up the cup pieces and held them against a polystyrene ball. I used contact adhesive to glue all the pieces together. You apply it to both edges, wait for it to dry, and then press them together. I cut out long strips of 2mm thick EVA foam to use as details. I glued them on with hot glue, and I also used them to hide the seams. I applied a couple of layers of flexible primer. I painted it with flexible bronze paint using a makeup sponge. I didn't use any water, it's basically like dry brushing with a sponge. When it's all fully dry, you want to seal it with a flexible varnish.